Hello everyone! Welcome back to Mr. Leo English. How are you today? I hope you are happy. I hope you are great. Today we have a very special topic. We are going to talk about home. Everyone has a home. A home is a place where we live. A home is a place where we love. I will tell you about my house. Listen carefully. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. Are you ready? Let's go. My house is in a small town. It is a quiet town. It is not in a big city. There are many trees around my house. I love trees. I love nature. My address is 123 Sunshine Street. It is a beautiful name, right? Sunshine Street. In the morning, the sun wakes me up. I can hear the birds singing. Tweet, tweet, tweet. It is very peaceful. Now, look at my house from the outside. What does it look like? My house is not very big, but it is not small. It is just right. The walls of my house are orange. I like orange because it looks warm and bright. The roof is red. It is a classic red roof. The front door is brown. It is made of wood. On the door, there is a small bell. Ding dong! My house has 2 floors. The first floor, or the ground floor, and the second floor. We use stairs to go up to the second floor. In front of the house, there's a small garden. The grass is green. There are many flowers. I have red roses, yellow sunflowers, and blue daisies. In the garden, there is a big apple tree. In the summer, I sit under the tree. It is very cool. Let's go inside. How many rooms are there in my house? Let's count together. 1 living room, 1 dining room, 1 kitchen, 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms. Total 8 areas. That is a lot of space for my family. The first room you see when you walk in is the living room. The living room is big and bright. There is a sofa. The sofa is gray and very soft. I like to sit on the sofa and read books. In front of the sofa, there is a coffee table. On the table, there is a vase of flowers. Opposite the sofa, there is a big TV. My family watches movies here every Friday night. On the wall, there are some pictures. They are pictures of my family. Look, this is my father, my mother, and me. We are smiling. Next to the living room is the kitchen room. I love the kitchen. It is the heart of the home. The kitchen is where my mother cooks delicious food. In the kitchen, there is a fridge, or refrigerator. It is silver. Inside the fridge, there is milk, eggs, fruit, and vegetables. There is a stove. We use the stove to cook soup and rice. There is a sink. We use the sink to wash dishes and hands. The sink is clean and made of metal. There are many cabinets to keep plates, cups, and spoons. Everything is very tidy. My mother loves this place. She spends a lot of time here cooking for the family. In the morning, I smell coffee and breakfast. In the evening, the kitchen is full of warm light. Sometimes I help my mother cook. Sometimes we just talk while she is cooking. This place makes me feel at home. Next to the kitchen is the dining room. In the middle of the room, there is a big wooden table. There are 6 chairs around the table. Every evening at 7 o'clock, my family sits here. We eat dinner together, we talk, we share stories, and we enjoy food together. Now, let's go upstairs. There are 3 bedrooms. 1 bedroom is for my parents. It is the biggest bedroom. 1 bedroom is for my sister. Her room is pink because she loves pink. And the last bedroom is my bedroom. My bedroom is my favorite place in the house. In my bedroom, I have a comfortable bed. I have a blue blanket and 2 pillows. I have a desk. I sit at my desk to do my homework. On the desk, there is a lamp and a computer. I have a bookshelf. I have many English books on my bookshelf. There is a wardrobe to keep my clothes. On the wall, there are posters, and in the corner of the room, there is a guitar. I love music. Sometimes I play the guitar here. Sometimes I just sit and listen to music. This room is my world. When I am happy, I come here. When I am sad, I come here. When I am tired, I come here. I always feel safe in this room. We have 2 bathrooms. One is downstairs and one is upstairs. The bathroom is very clean. It is small but clean. The walls are light in color, so the room feels bright. In the bathroom, there is a mirror. There is a shower and a toilet. I use the bathroom every morning and every night. When I take a shower, I feel relaxed. After a long day, the bathroom is my place to relax. I feel clean, fresh, and comfortable. I feel ready to sleep or start a new day. How do I feel about my house? I love my house very much. It is not a palace. It is not a mansion. It is just a simple house. But to me, it is the best place in the world. As people say, east or west, home is best. Home is where my family stays. Home is where I feel warm. Whenever I go far away, I always want to come back home. Now it is your turn. Don't worry, talking about your home is easy. Follow these 5 simple steps. Step 1. Start with the location. Where? Use the sentence, I live in a. I live in a big city. I live in a small village. I live in an apartment. I live in a house. Step 2. Describe the outside. What? My house is color, blue, white, yellow. It has number of floors, 1, 2, 3. There is a garden or there is no garden. Step 3. List the rooms. How many? Use the sentence, there are rooms in my house. There are 4 rooms, a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a bedroom. Step 4. Describe one room. Inside. Pick one room and talk about the furniture. Use there is a or there are. In my living room, there is a sofa and a TV. In my bedroom, there is a bed and a desk. Step 5. Talk about your favorite room. Why? My favorite room is the room because reason. Example, my favorite room is the kitchen because I love eating. Let's practice together. I will ask and you answer. Pause for 3 seconds. Mr. Leo, where do you live? You, I live in. Good. What color is your house? You, it is. Great. How many rooms are there? You, there are. Excellent. See, you can speak English. You are doing a great job. Thank you for listening to my story about my home. Now I have a question for you. What is your favorite room in your house? Please write your answer in the comments below. I want to read all of your comments. If you like this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, Mr. Leo English, share this video with your friends. Learning English is fun. Every day you get better. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Happy learning.